Hello there, Jim King with King Piers team, back out here in Lawrence, Kansas on a commercial building project here. These footings are much larger than what you see in the homes that we do, which doesn't make any difference. I like it when I'm working with big footings. But on this job here, we've got 19 King Pier 2s, and we've got 26 inch by 6 inch H-beams. About 109 inches in length. We've kind of killed two birds with one stone. There'll be a beam right here after we epoxy inject the crack. But we'll try to put them wherever there's a King Pier hole. So we're chugging right along. We should be done probably by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. Here's some of the holes we've got here. We'll walk on through. It's going to get noisy. All these holes are 100% ready. Walk around the side of the building. Feels like springtime to me out here today. We're gonna have a lot of debris to haul off. Right there's from underneath the footings. All that dirt, it's clay. And what we're doing essentially is making the footings that are already huge, we're gonna make them even huger with our King Piers. These piers here, on the exterior, they're full of water. They're not ready yet. We still got a bore underneath. That looks like some pretty hard digging right there. We'll have to use our electric chisels for those. But anyway, we're moving right along. Wednesday next week, I'd say we'll be wrapping this job up. So stay tuned as we'll do a final video out here. Really nice work, and these are great people to work for. Big old apartment complex, been here a long time, well taken care of. So, King Piers, www.kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you.